Hi, in this video we're going to show you an app you could use to hide files and folders on your computer, so that way you could keep them hidden if you don't want other people seeing them if you're on a shared computer, and then you could simply unhide them when you need to access them. Alright, so the program's called Hide Files. So it is $20 if you want to buy it, or you could just click on Continue to try it out. You need to make a master password the first time you configure it to access the program, and you make sure you don't forget this password, otherwise you're going to be in trouble. So let me put in my password here. Alright, so now you can see the interface here. So you could add a file, add folders, add a whole drive, lock and unlock. And you have some options here. It's kind of the same thing. If you want to back up your registry. And right here, the options to delete. That's just to delete the items from the list here, not to delete the actual files and folders. Then you have some options for the theme. And then if you do stealth mode, that'll just kind of close it and keep it running. And you'll need to open it from your programs again to actually get back into it. And then you could change your private key and your login password. And then you have some options here to ignore failed files while unlocking and ignore drive mismatch while unlocking. Then you have some options here for file recovery. Alright, so let's try it out here with a file first. So let's say this PDF here, we can just drag it in here, or you can click on add file and browse to it. Alright, so now we're going to lock it, so watch what happens over here. So now it's gone. And you can see it shows locked here. Then if we want it back, just click on unlock. Let's refresh. And now it's back. And let's say we want to do with this confidential files folder. I'm going to lock the whole folder here. And we can uncheck that if we want to keep that unlocked. So we'll lock the folder here. And you can see the folder's gone. And then we can unlock it. Fresh. Now it's back. All right, so now let's try an entire drive here. So we have all these files and folders on the E drive. So obviously you don't want to do this to your C drive, because I don't know if it'll work first of all, and if it did work, you'd be in trouble. All right, so let's add a drive. Okay, let's lock it. And you can see everything's gone. So if we go to this PC, the drive still shows up. It just shows that there's nothing in it. Okay, so now that this drive is locked, let's log in as another user and see if they could see the files on this locked drive. Okay, let's check it out here. Okay, so now you can see the files are hidden from this other user as well. So it works for multiple users. Okay, let's go back into the other account here. All right, so now let's unlock this drive here. And everything's back. All right, so let's lock this again. Now we'll do the stealth mode. You can see Shift, Control, Alt, Z. So now everything's locked and the program is closed. Shift, Control, Alt, Z. It brings it back. And if you didn't remember the shortcut, you could just open it from your apps again. Okay, let's unlock this. Alright, so that's the basics on how hide files works. So obviously, like I said, you want to make sure you don't forget that password. I'm assuming if you did, you could probably contact support and have them help you unlock it. But I can't promise you that, so always be careful when using these types of things. And if you are going to use this, I would suggest probably buying it, because that way you might get some technical support if you do run into a problem. Alright, so I'll put a link in the description where you could download hide files and you could try it out for yourself. Alright, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.